Yo guys, what's up? Today I'm looking at Blackberry. Oh yeah, I just said it. Blackberry, you guys thought it was dead. It's not. It's still out there. It's not the meme stock it used to be, okay? But still pretty good, still out there. Alright, it's got a little bit of earnings, but it doesn't look good for the company overall. It's hard to say. It could be a buyout opportunity for somebody, or it could be something else. I'm not really sure. I do still have a little bit of a stake in BlackBerry in one of my accounts, and I still like to check on it once in a while. But it looks like technical indicators say it's going higher. That's why I'm making a video today with you guys. Alright, so smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Say, yeah, thanks for the video, dude. Alright, and then what you need to do is join up on the channel. If I make a trade in BlackBerry, you don't want to miss it. So if you guys join the channel, you get my real-time trades. That's pretty cool, and a lot of other cool stuff. So be sure you join up and let me know what you think, and you can see all my trades that I've done. And anyway, that's pretty cool. I'd like to see you guys there. Alright, now BlackBerry looks like it's going higher. How high can it go? Well, is it going back to 12 bucks? Maybe not. Hard to say. Okay, so disclaimer, I have a phone that I use for work, and it still uses BlackBerry for the backbone. So it's software, not the hardware. Okay, so they still do software, they still do hardware. They're all over the place, okay? They have a target niche audience that they're trying to retain and expand their market share. But I think they would be a really good buyout opportunity for somebody like Verizon or Apple or somebody like that to go in, acquire the company, especially since it's so cheap. Not as cheap as it was down here, $4.70. I didn't really know what was going to happen then, but I think we're a little more stabilized now, and I think we're probably going higher. Now we could run into some resistance here. The 200-day moving average at 749 or so. Might change a little over time. But I think we're in a good position moving forward. Might be time for another cash covered put depending on the premium that I get. So I'll check that out during the week. Make sure you guys join and subscribe to the channel so you can see my real-time updates for all my trades. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.